and omode sika awuram ama afuru bohwe journalist and omunso ntro and tro na wo trase na wo pe wo man mu na wo tie de ekoso wo Ghana na wo hwe obi ti se katechi afufa betrase okasa na watie mu ye yare no se sa na eba ye wo hey sa yare ebe ko sebi o kanyansa. You don't have to shout for people to come and listen to nyansa. The otie na nyansa wo ma ono nso wa adwene obehu se nyansa na wo ka no. You don't call people's attention say me kanyansa. No, that means it's fake. Adia asama enya no kore eye ntro no eno ena ye de ntam e bata ho me wait me donya me ka say. That means you know say enya no kore. You may be caught and then as okay can some be training nipa na so obetena say yenim akufo Addo nua bia nti wo ye kromfo a ba cho wo amohwe munim kataje free fa nua bi and you so ye kromfo we free nyansa mu ne bae na so onye obi no onu de obetena ho a look at how the NDC has been able to market Kevin Taylor because odidi atem. Look at how they have branded Sami Jamfi because odidi atem omo de eno no munim ye. So bana obey Kenyansa or party man, they will sack you. One typical example, me say Tetteh Oma pamono because the man was speaking the truth. Almost who Kenyansa almost only a Kufuado akoto kese. Is a wako journey MPP. Then they will sack you. They will sack you. What your shot coin this in kind of correct. Now you meet their route. Make so and this NDC no Musimu de Muhu bia no problem. Maybe na Muhu yampa. Enye factory no one mon kind de menyan ko a me ko apa metim ba bi no de menyan na MPP for so yesremo sabi onwam tu mu ampro ni minimu a yes wo ya chenchena empanyifo so onwam kesebreku otu mu ampro ni minimu a eya na ebu ni sa chenchena because wo ko wura ma me say ozi where is the Tetteh oh my boy get away because he speaks wisdom ombe yiwa to atwini zesi a NDC me say onwam kesebreku one achenchena omo se no mu nyina tu style baako enti so gina ho na onwam no de me ehu so ye onwam so otu a bet wa pro ni minim yes we onwam achenchena ni sa voice no enti achenchena de otu asile no okọ enti ye na nanom nyansa se mo kato wo se onwam kesebreku otu mu ampro ni minim a ye bu na achenchena NPP mu ya adwuma mu ya ade pa but the fact is mu communication network na a weak. You cannot market what you have done and doing and the Ghanaian voters you know yen fa ho ne de wo ye come and tell us even though you are doing it we want you to come and tell us sa na ye de atete e di mama nyama adwen to 2008 Ghana ni no will see they will not see mubehu ana ya anom the propaganda ntrosem sa no maba enti mayi ba ko me see daboase palm factory okay hwe we eye nanumba cassava processing factory nanumba cassava processing factory uko nanumba sesi a wo do ho no ma wo say wo pa Kufuado factory no who do number here. Me see if you like, send your people there. Next year, how many factories are Kufuado see from scratch? And this factory now, nipa over 200 a year juma number. They say ma no, they are talking me from scratch. And this will be when your green book when your green book pure. And I'm saying we sit on this page. Yembe can't stand Beijing Trehem Fanya for nothing. We want Ghana say be fan into my penfra because I am a proud Ghanaian. I speak in favor of Ghana. And the political party and then when the MPP turns around, Yamin Pemu, Nasa almost be a bad thing and we will speak against the bad thing they are doing. I'm not speaking for the MPP. I'm only supporting what they are doing for the country because that is what will project the country fast onto the world market. Now, fertilizer producing factory. And if I have a person or no bar obeye factories. Oka so obeye 1D1F and this force no enye. Me pato me ka be si asem so na me bedu yi levi ni so a wo beti mase pa mani abre man fifre na etimi na man no Ghana no de ye paniye nti ene e fifre beti yara ai enie aha me kira factories uko gomwa potato processing factory enie ni nyina anya se ye si wi a nipa ye mu adwuma ye wi a nipa ewom eye mu adwuma enie gomwa okudu gomwa also pekufu adu factories esa na ni no mo frɛ no. These are all factories built by the MPP government. Tomato processing factory osudoku sha osudoku aha enu nsu nie enu wahu ni nyina anya se ye o wahu se bikita ebi na kita na Addo na mame enlarge no na kita so ohu a na Addo na gina ho no ebi na kita na ebi na si ho no. This is a man, a visionary leader, not the incompetent o. Ebi ne kita no nya say yesi o enye say yesi o. This factory is na me dey kire no enye yesi o yesi ewie and the thousands are yegusu a yesi and it said NDC be ka kire wo na say wo say hey o man numa e dia mesi nyame ya aduma Monday I'm going to tell you say good afternoon asunaba I'm going to tell you say dokuna me oton 1 cedi na wusu no say John Dramani Mahama woni ne NDC net so na ka no be ton 15 cedis. I'm going to work it mathematically to prove my point. I catch us a higher fear in conjunction with TV Ghana on YouTube. Ukwa no subscribe no me Addo man so am say the be de bia de yensempa eto honma and the almighty we the migidi se kura wato bia no enie ekunfi pineapple juice ekunfi pineapple juice ekunfi pineapple juice enie wato bia no so to be an meboa. Aha. Yet, NDC to me catch I say, Nanado by we see factory. Minia Ubehewe, as I call Joe Medi. There's very same people who fought against free SHS. My boy video natural along the line of Musa Diano, Sadia be ye Dicana bro, and a Mumian Kwasi and the former president with that shame in his eyes. Ex-president, Your Excellency, you have no shame to have gathered boldness to stand in front of the Ghanaian people to tell themselves, you introduce free SHS means a winning shame. And indeed, you've proven even in opposition that you were and is incompetent. With all due respect, former president, you have proven without reasonable doubt that you were and is incompetent in government and in opposition. Because miniwa and kameko akoda Adakru rice factory enye so wahu Adakru me say factories are made church we nyina anya factories are afeni eyo in process we are completed ones there are a lot more, many to mention. Me ko tomato processing factory uko brekum say see brekum ewo ho eye adwuma wo be kona Ghana ni ti ho so ye MPP ni so ye NDC wo to ho no you see omo ye de